Okay, what is a microclimate? Well, usually, like for me, my climate right now is zone 4B up here in northern Michigan. A microclimate could be anywhere on your property that has, that maybe is warmer because it's out in the direct sun, or maybe it's in a cooler location in the sun where I've got right here planted lettuce and calendula because it's half sun and it's got some dappled sun and it does have some sun for a couple hours a day. But you can find microclimates all over your property, or even no matter how big it is. So you're just going to look for something. If you want to plant something like that, likes warm, you want all the sun, right? So maybe it's against a building, or where it's out in like a field type area where you can get that sun all day long that it needs, or against the building again, like where it has all the warmth that's getting concentrated and brought there. And then there's my kitty Nala. Say hi, Nala. And then we've got Chip Chip over there. So yeah, look around your places and see if you can have some microclimates so you can maximize your produce and just plant as much as you possibly can.